Well, howdy, my friends, my neighbors, my brothers, my sisters, my life. Today, my exhaust pipes have arrived. See, I'm putting new chrome cafe pipes from COBRA on my motorcycle. I tried to deliver it yesterday. For some reason, well, I know what reason, my door buzzer doesn't work. So it's being delivered by Canada Post. It's at the shop in Dublin. After St. Clair, I'm going to drive down there and pick it up. Alright, why don't you guys come along with me? Well, I made it outside. It's really nice. It's almost nice enough to go for a motorcycle ride. Alright, so I got the pipes in the back seat there. Nice. Alright, so now there's the old pipes. Alright. And here's the new ones. We're going to pop that box, make sure that these will fit. Alright. Check it. I took off the heat shield. Alright, now I can get at the bolts inside there. Alright. Nice. And there's the new box. Alright. It's easier than I thought. Alrighty, hi there. It's me. I've managed to change out the exhaust. Alright. But I ran into a bit of a problem. Alright. Because, right? Nice. But I can't join up the studs here, alright? Because the exhaust manifold, there's studs on there, right? And they're too short. Now I could back them out, except I can't grip them. And I don't want to strip the threads. So it's off to Ted's place, I suspect. That's where she'll be heading next. Alright.